After some wholesome short rib Benny, a mouth-watering sandwich, an award-winning brisket, and the best bison I've ever tasted, my perfect meal is almost at an end. There's just one final course to go.
I'm Ashley Callingbull, and this is my One Perfect Meal.
Foos Repair Shop is on Jasper Ave, right in the heart of downtown Edmonton. There are countless opportunities for a night out in Edmonton. The city has a vibrant theater scene, great nightlife, and of course, a long list of world-class restaurants. You might not think an old TV and electronics shop with the motto, "We fix you," might be included in that list, but at Foos Repair Shop, you're in for a surprise. This has to be one of the coolest restaurants in Edmonton, a speakeasy-style dining experience delightfully mixed with classic Chinese restaurant vibes. If the incredible design wasn't enough, the food here is unreal. They were awarded Edify's Best New Restaurant in Edmonton the year they opened, and that same year, they placed second for Edmonton's Best Cocktail and third for Best Restaurants for Date Night. Head chef Winnie Chen describes Foos Repair Shop as a little bit dim sum, a lot Hong Kong diner.
So these are duck tacos.
This looks delicious. Oh my goodness.
So the duck legs, they get marinated in a variety of spices like star anise, cinnamon, and then we confit it in duck fat. During service, we fry them to order so they get that nice crispy skin. There's a hoisin glaze and then candied peanuts on top. The dipping sauce is a sesame peanut that we make in-house, and then just a variety of pickles and julienne vegetables. These are the mandarin pancakes there.
Oh.
And then it's just kind of build it yourself. Have at her.
Yeah, it's like very appealing to the eye, and it's also fun that I get to build it myself the way that I like. It's exciting. I like this.
It's fun, yeah. I like interactive eating.
Yeah, and like getting a say on like how you want it made and whatnot.
Exactly.
It's like I get to make it myself. I don't have to do the cooking part. I was like, but I can serve myself, make it the way I want. It comes off really nice and smooth. I'm gonna mix a bit of everything in here actually. Let's give this a good roll. You're so right about adding all of this. It gives like that extra pop. I really taste the glaze on the duck. It's delicious. There's a little bit of crunch with everything, and there's like a pop of flavor, and then I definitely taste the sesame. It just gives it that extra oomph.
Yeah.
This is absolutely delicious.
Thank
what
you.
made you want to incorporate this and mix this together?
Throughout like everything that I've learned through my like culinary journey and stuff, adding tahini to the peanut sauce to make it a bit different, like how to set it apart from what's traditional, but still not stray so far that it's no longer authentic.
Yeah, perfect way to describe it. It's like traditional, but also like you can customize it the way you like. It's different, and it's also like really creative and interactive.
And it goes really well with one of our signature cocktails. Do you want to try one?
Yeah, let's bring it out. Ooh,
So I have the Return of the Dragon here for you.
that looks delicious.
So this is a spicy infused vodka cocktail that's clarified with coconut milk.
This is actually Kyla. She's one of the co-owners, and she is the designer of this space here.
Wow.
Yes.
So I have some questions for you. As soon as I walked into here, it felt like I was being transported into another world. Like it's just so vibrant. What made you want to design it this way?
So the whole premise behind Foos Repair Shop is this place that you come and get your soul fixed. And it's kind of based off like an 80s repair shop, and then obviously incorporating the Chinese elements of the lanterns.
What you did with it is just fantastic.
We really wanted to make a fun space that people can come get lost, be transformed in time, hang out with their friends and their family, and just have a good time for everybody. So yeah, we really tried to make a lot of unique areas and places to hang out and be in this space. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you. Instantly got a spice to it. Not too much, some sweetness, kind of like this pina colada vibe. It's really quite delicious. Let's talk about your menu. Like this was just phenomenal. What would you say are your most popular dishes?
So when we designed the menu, I just wanted to have like the food that's available to match the vibe of the people coming in and what I think they'd want to eat when they're in a room like this. Everything on the menu is meant to be shared, just eating family style like traditional Chinese meals are. I'd say number one is the duck tacos, which you just tried.
Yep, I agree.
And then all of our dumplings, braised beef noodle soup. It's actually my dad's recipe.
Oh.
Do you want to try it?
Yes, I'm sure it's as delicious as this is. Ooh.
The dish itself is kind of like a 3-day process. So the hero of this dish is really the beef, one of Alberta's 7 signature foods. Some root veg, so we've got daikon and carrots, and then preserved mustard greens, pickled cabbage.
Gotta get my noodles in there and the broth. Yeah. This is legendary. There's like a great texture to this. The broth, it tastes so good. Everything goes really well together. I could taste the veggies and it just feels like home, like a home cooked meal. So this is your dad's recipe?
Yeah, one of the things that has been on the menu since the beginning. And I don't think I will ever take it off. Just because like I'm very proud of it and my dad's obviously very proud of it. When we first opened, the first thing he'd ask me was like, how'd the soup do? Because, you know, it's like almost a sellout most nights. Yeah.
Oh, really? Wow. You know, this tastes amazing, feels amazing, makes me feel good.
Yeah.
So what do you want people to feel when they walk into this space knowing that there's so much here to do?
Just that they're welcome. There's this main dining area, and then as you go further down, we've got some round tables right in front of the DJ booth, and then like a private dining area, and then our garden room with a patio, and then Double Dragon next door. It's just like whatever your vibe is and whatever you're here for, like we've got a space for you.
What's Double Dragon?
It's our event space next door. Behind that very thick velvet red curtain there is a soundproof wall.
Oh.
And then the entrance is actually through the back alley.
Oh, so it's like secretive. So it's like a event space, nightclub. You can come here and feel good because that's how you guys make everyone feel. It's like, we fix you and I probably won't want to leave.
If there's one topic that keeps coming up today, it's bringing people together. Edmonton has such a strong sense of community. Restaurateurs support local producers, they support their communities, and surprisingly, they support each other. Go figure that chatting about a party is how my one perfect meal comes to an end. Well, maybe after one more bite.
With Alberta's spectacular Rocky Mountains in my backyard, it goes without saying I'm here all the time. But I'm not just skating here, I'm eating. I'm Elaj Balde, and I'm eating my way through the Canadian Rockies for the 3rd season of One Perfect Meal. Check it out.